In this video, I am going to be showing you the way SAT commonly tests questions on special right triangles. And I am also going to be showing you a trick to solving these kinds of questions on the SAT. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Dr. Jide, and I am your SAT Mark tutor, helping you get the best scores, highest scores on SAT exam. In today's video, we're going to be talking about special right triangles and how they are tested on the SAT. So this question says, in the right triangle here, well, this is not above, this is beside, x equals to 60 degrees. What is the length of side AB? Now, if you look at this length here, side AB, this length, side AB, is the hypotenuse of this right triangle. How do I know it's the hypotenuse? Because this is the side that is directly facing the angle 90, the right angle. All right, so the side facing the angle 90 is the hypotenuse, the longest side. All right, so we are asked to find the length of this longest side. Okay, so now we're also told that x here is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. So x here is 60 degrees, right? So if this is 60 degrees, we already have this to be 90 degrees. Then this angle here would be 180 minus 60 plus 90. So we add these two angles together and we subtract it from 180, all right? So we have 180 minus 150, which is equal to 30 degrees. So this angle here is 30 degrees. Now this means something. This means that this triangle is a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. Okay? It's a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. And there is a very interesting observation about the 30, 60, 90 right triangle. The observation is that the lengths of the sides are in a particular ratio. All right? The lengths of the sides are in a particular ratio. All right? So you need to know this ratio coming into the SAT exam, because 30, 60, 90 right triangle is commonly tested on the SAT. All right? So knowing the ratio of the 30, 60, 90 is very helpful. With knowing that ratio, knowing the ratio of the length of the sides, you will be able to solve any 30, 60, 90 right triangle on the SAT. So the 30, 60, 90 goes this way. The length of the sides, the ratio goes this way. The side facing 30 is x. Now, we're given also that the BC is 4 actually. Okay, there's an important information that is there. BC is actually 4. Okay, so back to this now. The side facing 30 is always x. The side facing 60 is always x root 3. And the side facing 90, which is the hypotenuse, is 2x. Okay, this is the important thing you need to know. This is the observation you need to know about the 30, 60, 90. Okay, the side facing 30 is x, the side facing 60 is x root 3, and the side facing 90 is 2x. All right, so now if you look at this triangle here, the side facing 30 is BC, which is 4. All right, so that means here x is what? 4. All right, because x is the side facing 30, and from here the side facing 30 is BC, right, which is 4. All right, so that means now, because we know x here to be 4, so that means the side facing 60, which is x root 3, is what? 4 root 3. Okay, and the side facing 90 is what? 2 times 4, which is what? 8. So the side facing 30 is 4. The side facing 60, x here is 60, so this is 4 root 3. So let's write 4 root 3 here. All right, and the side facing 90 is what? 8. This is 8 here. Okay, so let's change this so that you can see it better. This is 4 root 3, and this is 8. All right. Now the question is, what is the length of side AB? The length of side AB, therefore, is what? 8. Because that is the side facing the 90, and for the side facing the 90, you have 2 of x, which is 2 times 4, which is 8. All right. So the important thing you need to know here is the ratio, the way the lengths of the sides of a 30, 60, 90 right triangle are configured. The side facing 30 is x, the side facing 60 is x root 3, the side facing 90 is 2x. In the next video, we will be talking about another special right triangle. All right, so make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so that when that next video drops, you will see that video. You'll be able to see that video and watch that video, because in the next video I'm going to be showing you another special right triangle that is commonly tested on the SAT. All right, so don't forget to drop your like, share this video also, and if you have a question, please write it in the comment section and I'll be there to answer that question. All right, make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.